Now, here is where the story started. The i7s TWS, the elusive hunt for the perfect AirPod clones. It came with lots of writing on the box. It came with this big case inside, with this plastic tray. It was a big tray, and here is where the story is now. The i10s TWS wireless earbuds. You're getting this really long manual written in Chinese and English. Putting that to the side, we can see the earbuds themselves, rather the case it comes in, and putting them side by side, you can see how a couple of years down the line there is a major improvements, a major step closer to the real AirPods, because the case on the i10s is smaller than the i7s. And taking the tray out, you can see it ships with USB Type-C to charge up the case, and thus the earbuds. And in this time and age, USB Type-C it's a welcome addition to the box. Now, putting everything to the side and getting to the buds. Wait, should I call this earbuds, earpods, wireless earpods? I don't know. Tell me down in the comment section below. Now, when we open this, we get the earbuds. There they are. Now, let's quickly compare them to the i7s and actually see where the journey has come from, the type of improvements made here. First and foremost, you can see how easy it is opening the case on the i10s compared to the clip case on the i7s. Sticking them side by side, you can see that the i10s case is smaller, much smaller, significantly smaller than the i7s case. Now let's take both earbuds out of the cases and do a side by side comparison. Here you can see that the i10s are much smaller in size compared to the i7s. You can also see that there is no physical on-off button on the i10s compared to those that were on the i7s. Turning them to the charging mechanism, you can see that the i7s had a charging port, but these don't have a charging port because they magnetically clip into the case so that they can start charging. No need for any pressure, no need for any struggle. You just drop them into the case and they automatically start charging. Also, you're getting this magnetic chrome accent hinge at the back here. The case, as you can see, fits flush in the hand. It's a nice fit. It's a nice tiny package, not too bulky or unnecessarily huge for that matter. Now let's get to that pairing process. We are going to see how these earbuds pair on your Apple device and on your Android device. Now first up, let's try pairing this on an Apple device. So first things first, step one, take the buds out of the case to power them on. You'll jump into your settings app, go to your Bluetooth settings, and in the list of available devices, you're going to see the i10s show up. You'll tap to pair with this, and then you can jump to your music app and you can start playing your music. To power this off, simply drop each bud into the case and then power off and start charging. The pairing process on an Android device. Step one, you take the buds out of the case to turn them on. They'll automatically pair with each other. You'll go to your device, you'll go to Bluetooth settings, and during the list of available devices, you're going to see the i10s show up. You'll tap to pair with both of them, and on Android it shows you how much battery you have left on the AirPods, and there you go. Once they're paired, you can go play your music. And by the way, I'm listening to the Lost Frequencies. This is the hypest podcast in Nairobi right now. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below for you guys to go check it out. Now, jumping into those shortcuts built into these earbuds. Triple tap takes you to the previous song or takes you back to the beginning. Tap it twice to pause the song, tap it twice again to play your music, and tap and hold that proximity sensor to launch your Google Assistant. That's something we didn't see happening on the i7s. Now, I must say something here. I really like how convenient and easy the pairing process on the i10s is. That's a major improvement. Unlike the i7s where you had to plug them out of the case, power them on physically, press the buttons a couple of times to make them pair. With the i10s, it's pretty easy. You just pull them out of the case, they pair automatically, and you can start playing music like that. It's pretty easy, pretty convenient if you ask me. So by the way, I'm thinking I should give the i7s out, so let's do a giveaway. To enter the giveaway, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. You can share the link to this video or any video on the channel with your friends. Urge them to subscribe and also share, and like the latest picture on my Instagram to enter the giveaway, and the winner will be announced in a week. Let me use this for a couple of days and I'll hit you guys up with a review. This again was just an unboxing and first impressions and a comparison with the i7s, just seeing where things have come from, seeing where the elusive hunt for the perfect clones have come from. Remember, the giveaway is on. If you want to enter, I'll leave the steps down in the description below. It's Lord Hez in here. See you in the next one.